Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here today to show this exceptional 5-bedroom detached family home. We're situated in the quiet village of Bulphan. This property comes with the benefit of no onward chain. Please join me to take a look inside a Wick Place cottage. This beautifully positioned property enjoys a peaceful rural location while still being within close reach of Bulphan village amenities and offering easy access to the A127, A13 and M25, making commuting a breeze. To the front, there's a generous off-street parking for multiple vehicles, complete with an intelligent OCTOPUS electric car charging point. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by a spacious and well laid out interior. On the ground floor, you'll find 3 reception rooms, perfect for entertaining, relaxing or even work from home. A convenient ground floor cloakroom adds to the practicality of this thoughtfully designed home. Upstairs you'll find 5 well-portioned bedrooms. The principal bedroom benefits from its own ensuite, while the rest of the family is served fully fitted family bathroom. The property offers a generous plot size of around 65 feet wide by 150 feet deep. Recently upgraded with a newly installed KLARGESTER system, this home combines the charm of country living with modern, efficient utilities. If you're looking for a spacious family home with countryside charm and commuter convenience, this really is not one to miss. Please call us at a Bagwell's Upminster branch and we'll look forward to showing you here soon.